and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to stay a while. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Turn on your notifications by clicking the little bell so that you don't miss another video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I put together my coffee bar. Sometimes we see something and we see the end result, but we don't know how everything comes together step by step. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to share with you guys how to set up a coffee bar. It's very simple and very easy. Let me know in the comments if you guys have a coffee bar and if you've set it up similarly or how elaborate it is. I would love to know. So the first step was to decide where I was going to put it. You could do this on your countertop if you have a lot of counter space. I personally don't. So I decided to use this mirrored dresser as my coffee bar, and I really like that it had drawers so I could put extra coffee, extra tea in those drawers, and also other things related to my dining room because this space is right behind my dining table. Next, I just gave it a quick wipe down because it's a mirrored dresser and it shows every single fingerprint. And after I cleaned it up, I added my coffee maker. I have a Keurig, but it's whatever coffee maker that you have. Once the coffee maker was on, it was time to work on the left side because I made the coffee maker the center, so I needed to balance either side. So I started off with this nice little tray that I got from HomeGoods and these two canisters. The small one will have some decaf coffee and the big one will have regular coffee. I use reusable K-cups oftentimes, also the regular K-cups too for the other flavored coffee. Next, I adjust lighting by adding a lamp. I got this lamp, I believe, at Walmart or Ross, but you can find these kinds of crystal lamps just about anywhere. And that was all I did for the left side. And on the right side, I added some greenery. This is a quick, easy DIY. I have this pot that I got with some greenery from Ross, and then I added 2 candlesticks at the bottom from the Dollar Tree that I glued with E6000 to give it some height. And I did the same thing because I wanted to have a little tray, so I added it's actually a cutting board from the Dollar Tree and some bling wrap around it on top of a candlestick and glued it all together. And next I added the pot. After that, I added my coffee mugs. It came on this little coffee mug tree. And these 2 mugs, I wanted to display them. They're Mr. and Mrs. And so I put those on top of my little tray. Finally, I wanted to have some K-cups on display. I got this kind of apothecary jar from HomeGoods, and I just added my favorite flavor coffee right now, which is hazelnut. And I really liked it because it worked with all the different heights for the whole entire vignette on the side. Once all that was together, it was time to adjust the wall. I decided to put this piece of art that I got from Ross. I think it was $39.99. I really liked how it had the different colors of gray and tan and beige because that's pretty much the color scheme of all the bottom floor. So it worked really well. Next, I added this Coffee Anyone sign from Hobby Lobby. And this is pretty much all I did, and everything just kind of came together. And I really love how this works. It's very functional for my family. It looks really nice when you walk in because we come in through the garage and that's one of the first things that we see. And I just love how inviting it is in the morning when I want my morning coffee. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video and I hope it helps some of you get inspired to set up your own coffee bar. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying it, and if you like this video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will talk to you in my next video. God bless. Bye bye.